Hi guys, I'm just going to make a quick tutorial on how to set up your Onshape account. So you're going to go to, you can just Google Onshape. And you're going to click on this. Okay, and so this will pull up. And then you're just going to hit sign in. And I already have an account. So you're going to don't have an account, sign up. And then when you get to that, you're going to create an Onshape education account. And then go through. Let's say I'm Jane Doe. I'm going to put your personal email account because sometimes these things want you to confirm, and you're not going to be able to confirm from your school account if they have outside emails blocked from coming in. So put, your personal. You're going to be a student and you're in grades K through 12. By checking this box, you're going to get started. The school name, or you can put Dobbins Bennett Excel. You have to go and find our website, so DB Excel. And here it is. You're going to copy that, put it here. Kingsport, Tennessee. You are in the United States of America. Where is that? United States. Graduation year. I will pick 2023. Create your account. And it sent an activation email. So, and then you'll have to answer to that.